Get ready. 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am grateful to you for giving me this opportunity to speak on the present budget. I would like to point out that in order to assess the proper value of the present budget, it is necessary for us to bear in mind the present economic condition of the country. We are aware that the prices of all essential commodities have gone up very much in recent times. Honorable members have stated that the economic condition of our country was causing anxiety. Therefore, there is urgent need to give relief to the common man, the middle class poor in our country. You will find that the exemption limit for the income tax has been raised in the present budget. In view of this, very large number of persons will be benefited. As a result, not only the poor people but also the middle class people are very happy and are thankful to the government. With regard to the problem of unemployment, it is causing great difficulty to our countrymen. Honorable members know that several state governments have made provision for payment of an allowance to the educated unemployed. The Honorable Finance Minister has also made provision for this item in the budget. I am not opposed to the allowance being given to the young unemployed person. I would suggest that the best thing would be to create more opportunities for work. This will create a sense of confidence in the minds of the people. If they are engaged in productive works, there is no doubt that our country will be more richer. Regarding science and technology, the Honorable Finance Minister has made provision in this budget for the development of science and technology. In the present day world, more and more reliance is being placed on science and technology. If we do not take note of this, we will be lagging behind compared to the rest of the world. Science and technology contribute to industrial development. If there is industrial development, it will be in turn provide employment opportunities to a large number of people. With regard to the provision of agricultural development, honorable members will see that provision has been made for various sectors. I would submit that all the important sectors of our economy have been taken care of. I agree that no heavy taxes have been imposed. This is an important thing about the budget. Letter from Senthil Textiles, Chennai to Messrs. Bhavani Textiles, Coimbatore. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter of the 10th instant and very sorry to inform you about the decline in the sale of our goods. You have asked me to explain the reasons for this great decline when compared with the previous year's figures. Para, we made a careful study of the goods in the market in order to ascertain whether there had been a general decline in the market or this decline had been peculiar to our company only. We found that there had been great decline to our company only. From the last quarter of the year that ended, there was a reduction in demand. We observed that the customers are not satisfied with our goods. Some says that there is deterioration of quality. Another reason is competition from other companies. We therefore request you to improve the quality of our products in future. Yours faithfully. Stop.